When your daily schedule consists of managing disparate software, messaging, and project logs, it is a very common challenge. But if you have not set up any automation for that stuff yet, you are honestly just burning daylight. Today, we are going to go over the 5 best ways to automate your life. You will see how these tools take over busy work, get your apps talking, and even use AI to dig through your data. Finally, you will find what works for your flow so you can quit managing and start doing. If you require a top-tier automation engine, Zapier Zaps offer a comprehensive set of tools for managing a complex digital ecosystem. While Zaps once performed simple individual tasks, they now operate as a unified hub for over 8,000 distinct integrations. The most significant update this year is the Zapier Copilot, a conversational AI builder that translates plain English instructions into functional automation logic. By describing a goal, such as capturing website leads and generating AI-based summaries for your team, the Copilot picks the necessary apps and configures the internal testing steps for you. System stability has also been significantly upgraded through advanced auto replay settings and dedicated human-in-the-loop stages. These tools prevent workflow disruptions when you are away from your desk, as the platform can automatically manage technical hiccups or wait for your specific sign-off on high-stakes items like final document delivery. This balance of machine learning and manual control is why the platform remains the industry leader. It has moved beyond basic data transfers to provide a seamless, high-fidelity experience that understands the specific needs of your business and delivers information exactly when it is needed most. Then the Gumloop, which approaches automation through an AI-focused workflow structure. At its core, Gumloop works with nodes, and each node performs a single task. Instead of building a complex automation all at once, you simply connect small steps together. For example, imagine you want to collect company information automatically. First, you create an input node that receives a website URL. This becomes the starting point of the workflow. Then you add a website scraper node. When the workflow runs, Gumloop visits the website and extracts the homepage text. Next comes the AI step, which makes things more interesting. You can ask it to provide a one-line description of the company based on the extracted content. The AI reads the text and generates a concise summary. After that, another AI node can categorize the company into predefined industries, like consulting, technology, or manufacturing. Finally, the workflow writes the results into a Google Sheet. This way, the system collects data, processes it with AI, and stores the outcome automatically. Because every step appears on the canvas, it's easy to adjust or expand the workflow as needed. Now, let's look at N8N, which leans toward flexibility and technical control. One reason it's become popular is that it's open source, so you can host it on your own infrastructure. That allows companies to follow their security policies, scale internally, and integrate automation into existing DevOps pipelines. Workflows in N8N still use a visual builder with nodes, but you can also add custom code steps when needed. Developers can run JavaScript or Python to process data, and the platform supports external libraries and HTTP requests, which makes connecting APIs or internal services much easier. On top of that, N8N integrates with more than 400 services, including Slack, Gmail, Airtable, Notion, and Google Drive. When you combine that with AI APIs like OpenAI or Gemini, workflows can automatically enrich leads, categorize them, and push them into a CRM. Overall, N8N suits teams that want a visual builder but also need the flexibility to handle complex technical workflows. Now the Make, and this leans more toward accessibility and visual automation. Here, workflows are called scenarios, and each scenario follows a simple 3-step pattern. First, you get data, then you process it, and finally, you send it somewhere else. For example, imagine a new customer feedback entry appears in Google Sheets. That triggers the workflow. The next module can process that feedback, maybe using an AI tool to detect sentiment, positive, negative, or neutral. Once the analysis is done, the result can be written back to the spreadsheet, while also notifying your team in Slack or updating your CRM automatically. What makes Make easy to follow is the visual canvas. Each module is a connected step, so you can see how data flows between apps. There are hundreds of pre-built scenarios you can copy, connect to your services, and tweak as needed. Because of this, Make works well for teams like yours that want to automate tasks quickly without diving into coding. Finally, we should discuss Jira. It focuses on keeping projects organized and moving smoothly. If you already track tasks and issues here, automation can really save you time. Jira rules have three main parts: a trigger, a condition, and an action. The trigger starts the workflow, like when a task moves to done. The condition filters when it applies, maybe checking the project type or issue label. Then the action does the work, updating a status, assigning a task, or sending a notification. A useful feature is handling subtasks. Once all subtasks are done, Jira can automatically mark the parent task complete, keeping your board accurate without extra effort. You can also set up reminders for overdue tasks, sending notifications each morning to the right teammate. With AI now built in, you can just describe the workflow in plain language, and Jira sets up the trigger, condition, and action for you. That makes creating automations faster and easier. So that was all about 5 best workflow automation platforms for 2026. Check out the description below to get all the sign-up links. Try them out and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.